Today, I'm going to show you how to disable cart functionality and redirect to checkout in WooCommerce WordPress. This is incredibly useful if you want to streamline your checkout process by skipping the cart page entirely, allowing customers to proceed directly to checkout after adding items. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed in with the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site, as this is essential for accessing the right dashboard and settings. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugins library where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Disable Cart Page. From the results that appear, look specifically for a plugin called Disable Cart Page for WooCommerce. Once you find it, click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will give you clarity on what you're about to install. When you're ready, click on Install Now. Keep in mind that the installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient and let the process complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After the plugin is activated, turn your attention back to the left navigation menu and click on WooCommerce. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the WooCommerce settings page where you can configure various aspects of your store. Now, look at the top side menu on this settings page. You'll notice a new tab labeled Disable Cart Page. This is the plugin we just installed and activated. Click on it to access its configuration options. From the Disable Cart Page menu, the process is pretty much straightforward. You'll see a checkbox that allows you to enable the function to disable the cart page and redirect customers directly to checkout. Simply click on this checkbox to activate the feature. Once you've done that, scroll down and click on Save Changes to apply your new settings. This ensures that your configuration is stored and active across your WooCommerce site. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the cart functionality and set up a direct redirect to checkout in WooCommerce. Your customers will now experience a faster, more streamlined checkout process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.